Saying that your life is endothermic, so when your end of term hits, you lose your engine and entertain the thought of murders. You getting so cold, getting back, starting to get worth it. You'll be on the low, dreaming of schemes so perfect that somebody has gotta reward you by 40 virgins. You know what the verge is. You've been on the ledge so much that you on point when you staring down the edge, but you gotta watch your step when you do the.
Yep, she's right. Let's get back to the unboxing and review. So this is the Philips Bluetooth wireless UpBeat headset. To be honest, I've been using mine for only 2 weeks, but during those 2 weeks I have no complaints whatsoever. So just so you guys know, my review is based on 2 weeks of usage. Here we have the manuals, which are an essential if you want to know how to pair your device. In this case, this one is pretty simple. You hold the power button for 7 seconds until the blue and white lights start blinking, and then you just look for the specific model in your phone, and then just pair your phone with that. Furthermore, turning on the headset is 3 seconds on the power button, and turning it off is 5 seconds on the power button. Quite simple. You got 3 sets of ear caps, small, medium and large. And the micro USB cable to go with it. Do give your headset a proper charge of 2 hours to guarantee the maximum battery life. And that was my unboxing and review of the Philips wireless Bluetooth headset. If you guys liked the video, which I hope you guys did, give it a thumbs up. I'll be making a lot more videos, which I hope you guys want to subscribe to. Otherwise, we'll be watching, alright?